Hello traders, in this video we are going to be quickly discussing the Bykov trend signal indicator for MT4. All right, so let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Here we go, just drag and drop, ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. As for the input settings, we have the risk, the SSP, count bars, and alert delay in seconds. Feel free to modify the values according to your taste. Okay, so this is a pretty straightforward indicator. It gives us buy and sell signals directly on the chart using arrows. All right, so when the blue upward arrow appears below your candlestick, it's a buy signal, like what we can see happen here, happen here, happen here, and so on, right? So that is a buy signal. Then when you notice the downward pink colored arrow appears above your candlestick, that's a sell signal. You can see it happened here again, and here. All right, so it's a straightforward indicator. However, I will always recommend that you take buy signals only in a bullish trend and take sell signals only in a bearish trend. Okay, it makes it safer, right? So when you are buying in a bullish trend and selling in a bearish trend, your chances of success are usually higher compared to when you are trading against the trend. Now, no indicator is foolproof, right? So there is still the possibility of the indicator generating false signals. So that is why you also have to pay attention to your risk management and also use good risk to reward ratios. Okay, I will recommend that you always look out for confirmation patterns before you enter the trade. For example, if you get a sell signal, look carefully what the candlesticks are saying. For example, here we can see that we had a strong sell candle. I think that would have been, a good confirmation that this sell move was probably, valid, right? And then you can see how the price went down all the way to this point. Now, in the case of a bullish signal, you can see that we had a pin bar here, right? So this pin bar would have supported this buy signal, all right? And you can see how the price went up all the way to this point. So always look out for confirmation patterns before executing your trade. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Cheers. See you in the next one.